Good day, Jack McKeever here. Something deep in my heart here is Mother Nature's Helper on Facebook. And we need a voice, and people don't seem to get it. It's hard for me to understand why people don't get it. Trees are air. California did a wonderful thing with their wildfire last year. They actually cut anything down that was burnt and salvaged the wood inside that burnt tree to use that rather than cutting down new trees, which is an admirable thing. But I'm going to give you some facts and figures of 2018. 2018, January 1st to December 21st, we lost 8.6 million acres to wildfires. 55,911 wildfires in 2018 alone. Now, yeah, that information is on the net, but most people don't know how severe that is. 8.6 million acres of trees. And to do agriculture in the rainforest and things like that, you're looking at 7 million hectares. That's 70,000 square kilometers. And that's anywhere from 3.5 billion to 7 billion trees. The only reason it's such a big difference is it's really hard to get an accurate count on trees because of how they grow. But when you add that together, wow, the number of trees wiped out in a year. 70,000 square kilometers. And wildfires 8.6 million acres. It's a lot of trees. And yeah, you know, you can replant, but they take 30 to 50 years, depending on what you plant, to grow, to give us the air that these things give us. It's fine to clear the land. They're clearing the rainforest for agriculture. That's all fine and dandy. But agriculture doesn't give back the way the trees do. We have to think of something else besides wiping out our rainforest. It has so many herbs in there that we use on a daily basis. Mother Nature feeds us. And what do? Oh, well, we don't like you, we're going to plant something else? Craps, if I didn't eat my supper, I got smacked in the side of the head and sent to bed. Is that what Mother Nature needs to do to you? Slap you on the side of the head? Be kind of funny, eh? Tree comes up, bam! Yeah, that would be funny. But Mother Nature really, really needs our help. This is an awful lot of wood that's just, it's not a good thing. Now granted, because of the housing market last year, tree necessity was knocked down and not as much was harvested as far for cutting and for wood products. And that's okay. I'd like to see that go down, yet another completely. Because we don't need wood to build homes. There are other things we can use. We have to leave it alone. We're killing not only ourselves, but our wildlife. We're killing our floral. Like, this is just, it's not okay. And with our technology today, there's no reason we need it. There's no reason to kill our planet. It's been done before. Humanity gets wiped out every time. Why don't we learn our lesson? That's that's all I have to say. Thank you very much.